guys, Yanis from Educate.com. This video will show you some effective ways to factory reset lock iPhone if you forgot your lock passcode. Performing a factory reset will erase all content and settings on the locked iPhone and restore the device to the factory settings in a state where it was unpacked from the box. That means all the data on your iPhone will be deleted during restoring. When you forgot iPhone passcode and have entered the lock code incorrectly too many times, your iPhone will be locked or disabled. The only way to remove the lock screen password and unlock iPhone is restore it to factory settings and wipe the iPhone totally clean. To restore all the data previously sitting on the locked iPhone after the reset, a backup is needed. Make sure you have a backup on your computer or in iCloud server. Now I get an iPhone 6 that is locked because I can't remember the passcode and I factory reset it and finally I can use it again. These are the factory reset strategies I used to unlock my iPhone, and now I'm going to show you how I did it, and you can do the same thing to factory reset your locked iPhone without iTunes or with it, in order to remove the passcode you've forgotten. After the restore process, I will tell you how to restore your settings and content to your iPhone. First, I restore the locked iPhone to factory reset status using Finder or iTunes, and to do this, I put my iPhone into recovery mode. So I turn off my iPhone 6. If you use any other iPhones, you will also need to turn off your phone as you did normally. While it's off, hold down Home button on the iPhone 6 and connect it to the computer. Do the same if you need to reset lock iPhone 4, 5, 5S, 6S on iPhone 8, 10 or later. Press the side button and connect it to the computer, and keep holding the side button. On iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, hold the volume down button and connect the locked device to the computer. When the restore screen appears on your disabled iPhone screen, release the button. The iPhone is now in the recovery mode screen. Now go back to the computer, launch Finder or iTunes, and you will get a pop message requiring you to update or restore the device. Click on Restore, then click Restore and Update. The restore process will begin, erasing all data and settings, including your passcode you forgot to unlock the iPhone. Finder and iTunes will download and clean install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Just wait the factory reset process to finish. Your iPhone reboots and resets itself. When the progress bar on the lock screen is filled up, the iPhone is reset to factory defaults. The passcode is wiped out and the Hello Welcome screen is displayed. Set it up and access the iPhone without entering the passcode forgotten previously. Besides the method of putting iPhone into recovery mode and resetting it to factory settings for unlocking, you can also take advantage of iPhone Unlocker. The program is a quick and easy password and lock screen removal tool at hand. It grants you to factory reset a locked iPhone and do a clean install of iOS to give your locked iPhone a new life. Best of all, it's able to unlock any models of iPhone even you don't know the lock passcode without using iTunes or Finder in just a few simple clicks. When you are ready, go to Educate.com, locate iPhone Unlocker, download and install it on your computer. Launch it, and on its screen, choose Wipe Passcode, then click Start button. As promoted, use a USB cable to connect your locked or disabled iPhone to the computer. If the software doesn't recognize your device, you need to follow the on-screen instruction to put it into recovery mode. When it's detected, select the device information corresponding to your iPhone, and then hit the Start button. The software is now downloading the iOS firmware that you will use to restore the locked iPhone to factory settings and get into the device without passcode. Once done, it will remind you that the unlock process resets the software and erases all data. Next, enter 0000 in the field to confirm your decision. The last step is to click the unlock button. Then the restore process begins. It wipes your iPhone to factory settings, including data, settings, as well as the lock screen. Make sure not to disconnect your iPhone while it's restoring. After the reset completes, your locked iPhone will restart. It looks like a brand new iPhone out of factory. No data, no passcode, and no lock screen. The Setup Assistant will guide you to set up the device and restore data from a backup. When you are in the app and data screen, and depending on where you store your data before iPhone is locked, choose Restore from iTunes Backup or Restore from iCloud Backup to get back your information. If you don't have a backup, don't stress about losing data after factory reset. You'll regain access to your locked iPhone and use it as new. That's it for how to factory reset a locked iPhone when you forgot the lock passcode. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone reset and lock passcode unlock tips. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and thanks a lot.